You're supposed to pivot, pick up the foot, and then step forward. So you're still in that boa stance, but it's a forward expression rather than the back. It's been modified to do what we're doing. But either way, I see a kerplunk, sort of a landing. It's kind of like a, yay, you know, well, we don't want that. So it doesn't matter whether it's this way, forward, because y'all see this a lot, and then they'll go kerplunk. They fall into it. We don't want to fall into anything in Tai Chi. So we're going to ward off to the left. So do it with me. Ward off right. That's your wind up. Okay, so point to the leg that your weight is on at this point. Okay. Aha, so this is issue number 1. It should be on the opposite side. Yes. So if I am warding off to my right or to your right, then my weight should be on the left. That's the counterbalance. If we're here, then we're double weighted. Okay, so that's problem number 1 solved. So as we ward off this way, it's just like push water in our Tuesday class. Your now weight is on the left. Then as you ward off the other direction, you see now your weight's on which leg? Point to it, please. Your right. So this leg is now free, isn't it? Yes. Now, your arms and your leg and your whole middle section rotate as one thing. And you only rotate as far as you're comfortable. Don't rotate and reach. That's when you kerplop. So just rotate and toe touch. Come back and toe touch. Come back and toe touch. Yes. Toe touch. Just toe touch. Don't weight shift. So it's like you're the pendulum tick-tock clock. Tunk. Touch and touch. See, if you weight shift to it, then you've already committed to it. We don't want to commit until we're ready. Okay? So let's do it now, and we'll complete it. So toe touch, and that's where you're comfortable. Then you can weight shift. That's right. Okay? So let's do that little sequence. You're going to ward off to your right, slightly weight shift left. Yes, that's your counterbalance. Now switch it. Ward off left and weight shift to your right. So this foot, and if you draw power up from your foot that you're weight shifted to, this foot should be relatively free. Now rotate the body and toe touch, just a comfortable, do not reach. Yeah, some of you weight shifted. I can tell because I see this. No, it's just toe touch and then weight shift. That's right. Then we go over the ski slope and then just pour the weight down through the center of the body and face me. Good. Now this hand is protecting your sternum, your elbows down. Now as you slide forward and weight shift to that front leg, I want you to open all 3 gates and sweep that foot forward. So nice and easy to do because you're properly set up. Yeah. Okay? All right, so let's do that little section again, keeping those minor changes that make a huge difference in making this so you don't kerplop. So here we are. Ward off to your right and weight shift slightly to the left. Good. Ward off to the left and slightly weight shift to the right. All completely. Draw the hydraulic fluid up, open the gates. This foot is free. Now rotate the whole body, toe touch, and softly weight shift. Oh, that's beautiful. Then pour it down with your fingertips down to the ball of your back foot. Get set up. Slide forward and feel yang here, like you're floating. And then yin, forward, float. Inside the float, now sink through or release through the center of the body. And drop. Very nice. Okay, good. Now we'll try it to the other side to make sure you have it. We're having puppy issues. This is why I keep looking back there. All right, so if you're going to if you're going to push water to your left, which leg do you weight shift to? Point to it. That's right. Correct. So here we go. So this is all just a wind up. Then turn it and go the other way. Get totally lined up and upward hydraulic. This foot is now free. And then rotate the whole thing, toe touch, don't reach, and then weight shift. Pour it down. Float, connect here, pull in and condense to the center. Float. Pour down the middle of your body, inside that nice open posture. And this is like kind of a rubber band feel actually. And drop. Yeah. All right. And let's try it one more time. I'll watch you very keenly this time. Yeah. Wind up. Weights on the right. Rotate. Weights on the left. So it's a little quicker weight shift there because you want this foot free. Then rotate the whole thing, and wherever that foot falls, that's where you go. Weight shift back to it, get set up, elbow down, protect. Slide forward, open and float. Then a yin feeling condensing to the center. Then float. And condense down the middle of the body, the water pouring down like a drain to the ball of the foot. Draw it up, hydraulically open the 3 gates, and drop. Yes. Good.